Tender beef with sautéed vegetables and a delicious stir-fry sauce poured over crispy fried noodles is a delicious dinner you're going to want at least once a week. Welcome to Anita's Kitchen, where we're making beef and vegetable stir-fry over crispy noodles. To make this, you'll need beef or a protein of your choice, any vegetables you have on hand, garlic, green onion, and ginger, noodles, condiments, and liquid. See the description for more information, substitutions, and tips and tricks for this recipe. Let's prepare the noodles. Boil the noodles according to package instructions. Remove the noodles and drain. Spread the noodles out in a single layer, then place in the fridge. Mise-en-place. Thinly slice the beef. To tenderize, add half teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix to combine. Remove ends and separate green and white parts of the green onion. Thinly slice the white ends. Slice the green ends. Peel and mince the garlic. Add to the white ends of the green onion. Mince the ginger. Add to the garlic and green onion. Slice the carrots into medallions. Slice the mushrooms. Rough chop the bok choy. Prepare the sauces. To make the stir-fry sauce, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, whisk to combine. To make the thickener, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, add 2.5 tablespoons of water or mushroom soaking liquid, whisk to combine. Time to fry. Add oil to a hot pan. Add the noodles. Fry for 2 minutes. Flip and spread the noodles. Fry for another 90 seconds to 2 minutes, checking to make sure it's not burning. Add the noodles to a plate. Increase the heat and add oil. Add the carrots and cook for 1 minute. Add the garlic, onion, and ginger. Cook for 1 minute. Add the mushrooms and cook for 1 minute. Add the beef and cook for 1 minute. Stir. This is when you should add the bok choy. Add the stir-fry sauce. Add 60 milliliters of beef or chicken broth. Add the cornstarch mixture to thicken. Turn the heat off and add a splash of toasted sesame oil. Let's eat. Pour the stir fry over the noodles. Add the green parts of the green onion and sesame seeds. Perfectly tender beef. The crispy noodles are a nice contrast against the fried vegetables, and the burnt parts are delicious. Bye.